The human body runs on a specific acoustic operating system, an internal vibrational baseline that dictates how our cells function. Today, that natural rhythm is largely obscured by the constant, dissonant noise of our industrial environment. This biological rhythm traces back to the 11th century. A Benedictine monk named Guido of Arezzo developed a 6-tone vocal tuning system to help choirs memorize the complex melodies of Gregorian chant. This structure became the foundation of the original solfeggio scale. The third note in this scale, known as the miracle tone, or Mi, vibrates at exactly 528 Hz. This frequency is derived from a musical tuning standard, where the reference pitch, the note A, is set to 444 Hz. In the mid-20th century, the international community standardized global pitch to A equals 440 Hz. This logistical decision for the broadcasting and recording industries separated modern music from the natural geometry of the 528 Hz standard. This shift to 440 Hz created a measurable biological disruption. By moving away from natural harmonic ratios, we place our cellular architecture in a state of chronic, low-level physiological stress. Because the human body is roughly 70 inside the cell nucleus, acoustic energy helps clear the environment by shaking off reactive oxygen species, unstable molecules that strip electrons and cause genetic breaks. To fix genetic breaks, the double helix must open. 528 Hz provides the oscillating energy needed to separate DNA strands at a safe body temperature. This allows DNA polymerase, a specialized enzyme, to access the code, replace damaged nucleotides, and rebuild broken sequences. These mechanics are the basis for sonic CRISPR, a platform that uses focused ultrasound as a physical trigger to activate or silence specific disease-coding genes deep within the body without an incision. These acoustic vibrations provide a non-invasive physical trigger, allowing for genomic intervention without the systemic side effects often associated with chemical induction. On a systemic level, the body receives these frequencies through the vagus nerve. This massive neural pathway connects the brainstem to the major organs and monitors the physiological state of our environment. The vagus nerve transduces external 528 Hz acoustic waves into internal biochemical commands. The acoustic pressure forces open piezo-1 ion channels on the cell membrane. Piezo-1 is a mechanosensitive protein that converts physical force into electrical signals, and when these channels open, they flush the cell with restorative calcium. This chart shows the systemic outcome. As cortisol levels drop by up to 42%, the body sees a significant spike in oxytocin, signaling the nervous system to begin deep tissue repair. By matching these external frequencies, the human nervous system transitions from a sympathetic state of defense into a parasympathetic state of restoration. Modern listeners rarely encounter these pure frequencies. Most audio is consumed via MP3s, a digital format that uses lossy compression to reduce file size, by discarding the harmonic overtones essential for biological resonance. To maintain physiological balance, we must actively protect our personal acoustic ecology by seeking out pure, lossless sound sources over degraded digital noise. This is the foundation of sonogenetics, a field using precise sound waves to regulate genetic behavior and guide cellular recovery non-invasively. Moving beyond the liturgical history of 528 Hz, these findings suggest a future where acoustic modulation serves as a precise clinical tool for stabilizing DNA and directing cellular recovery.